Some sofas try to dominate a room. Others quietly earn their place. The Kingfun 65.2-inch Loveseat belongs to the second group. It arrives with a calm, mid-century confidence, the kind that doesn't chase trends, but understands proportions, comfort, and restraint. This is a Loveseat designed for real homes, especially the ones where space matters and every piece has to justify its footprint. At just under 66 inches wide, the size feels intentional. It comfortably seats 2 adults and can handle a third when needed, without crossing into bulky territory. In apartments, offices, lofts, and older homes with narrow doors, that balance is everything. The fact that it arrives in boxes and can be assembled inside the room is not a small detail. It's a quiet victory for anyone who has wrestled furniture through tight hallways and lost. Assembly itself stays refreshingly simple with clear instructions and a process that rarely takes more than 20 minutes. The design leans mid-century modern, but without exaggeration. Tufted linen upholstery, clean lines, and a low-profile silhouette give it that timeless look that works just as well in a private office as it does in a sitting room. The wooden base and legs, made from FSC-certified wood, add warmth and a subtle contrast that helps the sofa feel grounded rather than temporary. In colors like the popular muted blue, it manages to stand out gently, enough character to be noticed, never enough to overwhelm. Comfort here is firm and unapologetically so. The thick spring foam cushions provide solid support rather than sink-in softness. This makes the Loveseat especially suitable for conversation, reading, or professional settings where posture matters. Clients, guests, and visitors tend to sit comfortably without fidgeting. For shorter users, the proportions feel especially forgiving, allowing relaxed seating or even stretching out across the cushions. Taller users may find it less ideal for long movie nights, but that honesty is part of the design's integrity. The structure feels dependable. A sturdy wooden frame paired with quality springs supports up to 500 pounds, and the sofa holds its shape well with daily use. The legs include padding underneath, a small but thoughtful feature that protects floors from scratches. Over time, minor imperfections can appear. An armrest that feels less padded than expected, or a hidden wood split beneath the fabric. But these tend to remain cosmetic rather than structural. For the price, the durability aligns with expectations and often exceeds them. What makes this Loveseat quietly impressive is how well it adapts to different lives. In a private practice office, it brings calm and reassurance. In a small apartment, it becomes the main seating without crowding the room. In a reading nook, it offers just enough support to make hours disappear. It's not trying to be the family couch where everyone piles in for marathon movies. It's a focused piece designed for casual sitting, conversation, and everyday pauses. There's also something refreshing about its honesty. This is not a forever sofa, and it doesn't pretend to be. With daily use, it may need replacing after several years. But during that time, it looks good, feels supportive, and does exactly what it promises. That kind of clarity builds trust. The Kingfun Loveseat fits people who value proportion, simplicity, and thoughtful design over excess. It rewards realistic expectations and practical taste. In a world full of furniture that overpromises and underdelivers, this Loveseat keeps its word, and that's a rare kind of comfort.